So what am I doing? Today I'm going to be doing the and she's an amazing makeup artist, and she did this trend where she did the Coca-Cola can look but made it drag, and I thought it was so cool, and I thought I need to do this, but I need to desify it. So I'm going to be doing the PAKOLA version. So if you want to see how I get from this to like this, so if you guys want to see how I did this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I have again my reference sheets and stuff. First of all, I've already prepped my skin. I did a mask, my 2-ingredient mask, which is amazing. If you haven't tried it, go check out the video. I am going to be blocking out the haters. No, I'm gonna be blocking out my, I've had a lot of coffee today. I'm gonna be blocking out my brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and literally get into it. I have a glue stick, and I have Patrick Star recommended getting the tooth comb with like the metal thingies. So I had to get that. Just kind of go ham in it. So now that I've done it all over and brushed them up, I'm just going to go ahead and just stick them again like that. It's kind of getting a bit gross, which is a sign of not the best glue, but this is what we have, and this is what we have to work with, so we're going to make it work. I'm going to be using a cool setting, obviously, because I don't want to burn off my face. RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. So I'm going to just take some of this Masarrat Misbah foundation, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover up my face. Ooh, this looks so weird. I think I messed up that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a super intense cut crease. I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use a bit of my cellar water. I'm just going to clean that up to make sure that my line is like super where I want it to be. And I'm going to go back and clean it again. Grab this super dark, can you see that super dark green color? And I'm going to create that line at the bottom first. Dip into a black and intensify this line. Okay, now I'm going to just take a blending brush. I'm just going to go ahead and try to blend that out without ruining my brows. Okay, now I'm going to take another brush, this like kind of PAKOLA looking green, I think. I'm just going to blend the edges more of this guy and just add some more green to that, so we have a nice backdrop for the text. So I'm going to take a Q-tip now, and I'm just going to clean up that bottom edge. I don't know when that stopped recording, but hope we didn't miss too much. So I'm just doing a cream contour, and I'm doing quite an intense cream contour today. So I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear and Get Ruined. I'm just going to quickly bake that. Go big or go green or go home. I want to do a silver glitter in the inner corner to really bring that look home. I think would be pretty. Just a silver glitter here. Yes. I'm going to be using the SUVA hydra liner. I just got both of these. Oh, one of these I got from Pakistan, actually, from Makeup City. This one, I don't even know what, doesn't even say anything. And the other one is the Royal Majestic 50 brush. So it's super, super tiny, super, super skinny, which we love only in brushes. Eyebrows is the worst eyebrow ever. Like, this eyebrow never is with me on anything. It's like, you want to do that? Nope, not today. Actually, not ever. Doing a bit of contouring, more intensely contouring. So I'm just going to use my Natasha Denona. I'm just going to intensify this contour a bit. Okay, I want to do some eyeliner and lashes. And I'm going to give myself an inner corner duct. I'm just going to redraw a new duct. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with the I'm going to take a super fine brush of mine, create my new tear duct. I'm just going to outline that area. I'm going to use the Luscious Doll Face powder blush. I'm going to use a nude lip crayon. So guys, this is the final look. This took way longer than expected, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was just a bunch of crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.